We will be discussing the requirements to get the psychology degree at Texas Tech. Our degree is a Bachelor of Arts. We do not offer a Bachelor of Science. The psychology courses that you must take for this degree will total 35 hours. There are 3 classes that are the psychology core, which we'll discuss in a minute, 11 hours. There are classes from certain groups, 6 groups, to total 18 hours, and 6 hours of psychology electives. Those can be any psychology classes. You are also required by Arts and Sciences to have a minor. You can minor in anything you want that is offered as a minor at Texas Tech. All minors are at least 18 hours, some are more. Your minor can be related to psychology, but does not have to be. Your minor can be in Arts and Sciences, but does not have to be. You do have to declare your minor during the semester that you will reach or pass 45 credit hours. In addition to the major and the minor, you also have a certain number of general arts and sciences requirements that you're required to complete, and we'll talk about this more in a moment. Our psychology core, the 3 classes, 11 hours, consists of general psychology, Psychology 1300. This is a prerequisite for almost all of the other psychology classes, so you'll take that first. Then you must take statistics, Psychology 2400. This class counts for the psychology core and also as one of your math classes for your general degree requirements. Statistics is a prerequisite for research methods, which is the 3rd course, Psychology 3401. That course is always writing intensive, and our faculty prefer that you take it as soon as possible, meaning as soon as you have taken statistics. If you like, you can take statistics and research methods at the same time. If you want to do that, you will need to let the advising office know, and we can put a permit on for you. In addition to the psychology core, the rest of our classes are divided into 6 groups. These are not any particular level or order. They are just different bases of behavior that our faculty feel you need to sample to get a good broad education in psychology. 6 groups, you must have 1 class from each group. Some of the groups you're going to find you're going to want to take more than 1 class, and that's all right because you can use 1 for the group and 1 for the elective. You also are required by the university to complete 2 writing intensive psychology courses. Research methods, which everyone has to take, is always writing intensive, so that will be one of the 2 courses. The second one you will need to choose from either one of your 6 groups or one of your 2 electives. The way that you can tell a course is writing intensive is by the section number. Most classes, regular classes, have a section number of 001, 002, and so on. If it is a psychology writing intensive class, it will have a section number of 051, 052, 053, and so on. It will also say on the right-hand side in RaterLink, it will say writing intensive. If you are not sure a course is writing intensive, please check with the advising office. And again, these do have to be psychology classes. We do not always offer writing intensive classes during the summer. So in addition to research methods, it's a really good idea to take your writing intensive as soon as you can. I have seen people wait till the last semester and end up with a problem because they only need 1 group and there are no writing intensive classes offered for that group when they need them. So take it sooner rather than later. This is our Psychology Advising Office worksheet. This is not an official document. This is a document that we have created that tells you what classes you have already taken or are taking, which is in the middle column, and what classes you still need, which is in the right-hand column. We have these in the computer. We will update them every time you come in. And if you lose it, we can email you another copy. If for any reason you have a question and you are not able to get an advising appointment, you should be able to refer back to this worksheet and get a pretty good idea of what classes you need to be taking. In addition to the major and the minor, you do have to have what Arts and Sciences calls general degree requirements. These are things like English, math, history, and so on. There is a list that Arts and Sciences publishes that tells you what classes they will accept for each requirement. So rather than call me and say, what class counts for written communication, you can look at the list and it will tell you. If it's on the list, it counts. If it's not on the list, it doesn't count. And the list does not always follow what we know to be true in real life. So it's very important to refer to the list. And just to keep things interesting, this is not the same as the list of core courses in the Texas Tech University catalog. This is an Arts and Sciences list. It is more restrictive than the catalog list, and this is the list that you need to be using. And again, we're always available if you have questions. In addition to the Psychology Advising Office worksheet, there is an official document called a degree plan, and this is what it looks like. This is an official form that you file with Arts and Sciences in 102 Holden Hall. You must file this the semester that you will reach or pass 45 credit hours. You need an appointment for this, so at the semester that you know you're going to hit or pass 45 hours, make an appointment using the link that you're provided as early in that semester as you can, so that we can get your degree plan done, get your minor declared, and you will be able to register or add or drop when the time comes. This is really important to do it the correct semester and do it early. It is not the same thing as a worksheet. I will hand everybody a worksheet saying this is what you've taken, this is what you still need. It does not mean you have filed your degree plan. If you choose a minor that's in Arts and Sciences, such as English, history, we can do your degree plan electronically. So that's easier for everyone. Just this is a new thing, just so you know. Okay, a worksheet is not the same as a degree plan. A degree plan is an official document that you file the semester you reach or pass 45 hours. Many advisors at Texas Tech put advising holds on your records, requiring you to meet with the advisor before you register. This department, psychology, does not do that. If you need help, you should make an appointment and you should come in and we can help you. However, if you do not need help, you are not required to come in. So if you can't get an appointment and your registration day is upon you, go ahead and register using the worksheet and make an appointment anyway, and we can help you fix whatever we need to fix at the appointment. There is another document that you have to file with Arts and Sciences, and it's called an intent to graduate. You do all of this in 102 Holden Hall, which is the Arts and Sciences Dean's office. You will do this when you file your degree plan. So you will physically go to 102 Holden Hall, hand them the document that we did, the degree plan, and they will give you the paperwork to file your intent to graduate. You have to do this a minimum of a year before you graduate. If you decide, if you end up not graduating when you think you're going to, you can change it later. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to call the advising office, 806-834-8617. If you need academic advising, that means help with your schedule, what classes you need to take, please email me at maggie.durham@ttu.edu. If you need help with graduate school, please email my graduate students at psychadvisors@ttu.edu. They can also help you some with career advising, assuming it's related to psychology. I do not do career and graduate school advising. I encourage you to contact the Career Center in the Wiggins Complex, which exists for the purpose of helping you with career advising. So you can call them. They'll be glad to help you. They can help you figure out what you want to do. They can help you with resumes, interviewing, things like that. And they are paid out of your course fees, so you're paying for that office. I suggest that you take advantage of it.